from M&Me Studios. Today we're going to be making wreaths. I picked up fresh branches from the tree farm we were at last week and used them along with some dried oranges to put this together. This is the final product. So I started with a 19-inch ring, just a simple gold ring that I bought on Amazon, and then laid out everything and then put it all together using floral wire and floral tape, and then strung on some of the dried orange slices to add a little freshness. So here's the final product. Let us know what you think, and if you have any of your own wreath making tips you want to share. So that's a wrap, or should I say, a wreath. Leave us a comment below if you like this video and if it helped you make a cute little wreath. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.